Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by defining the goal, store data, validate input, or expose read-only values. Create a private backing field when you need logic before assignment, otherwise use an auto property for brevity. Once done, write the get to return the field or computed value. Make sure to name the field with underscore or camel case and the property with Pascal case so consumers know intent. This first step gets you immediate, correct structure to implement get and set behaviors. You now implement the mechanics. Write get to return the backing field or compute a value, and write set to validate and assign. For example, check ranges, trim strings, or throw argument exception before assignment. Once you validate, set the private field and raise property changed if using data binding. Make sure to avoid heavy work in get. Prefer set for mutations. If property is read-only or simple computed, use expression-bodied syntax for clarity and fewer lines. You finish by writing unit tests and exercising corner cases, nulls, min/max values, and unexpected types. Run through the UI or API surface so get returns the right computed value after set. Once done, inspect behavior under concurrent access and add locks or adopt immutable patterns if necessary. If values aren't persisting, make sure you assign to the backing field in set and not to the property itself. That recursive mistake causes Stack Overflow or no state change.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.